Well, hello everybody. I've not posted a video to YouTube in a while. I came home and got a package in the mail. This was not sent to me, no sponsor or nothing. I ordered this myself. This is a video capture card, hopefully with the intent to start recording some game videos. Try to convert the idea of my channel maybe. Anyway, I won't bore you too much. Let's start. I was wondering if that knife is even going to be sharp enough to cut. I guess I still got an edge on it. Oh, now it makes lighter. Unboxing fail. And we have... That was probably uncalled for. I'm going to put in the description to, if you have headsets, to turn it down. Anyway, this is what, I'll get to that here in a second. They didn't send the receipt. Okay. Oh well, I got it. We'll find out. Set this over here. And what we are looking at is an HD PVR2 Hauppauge, I guess. I actually had to look up the best way to pronounce it. A couple people I've seen, that's how they called it. It's supposed to be HDMI pass-through from component to your system, and that's a text message. So I looked at all the other ones. My main intent is to actually use this for my Wii U. I know it says on the box Xbox 360, PS3, but HDMI is HDMI. And that's an interesting and they're going to blow up my phone now. Oh, okay, the sides open up. I've just seen pictures of this. I don't know how big this actually is. Judging by the box, it looks like it's pretty goofy. And HDMI with the component and audio. I didn't expect that. Holy shit. Excuse my language. We also have more cables. HDMI to HDMI. And actually two HDMI cables. And the USB from the unit to the computer. And the power brick. And the unit itself don't look like it's that big. Okay. And when it comes to didn't know any better, it's where I had an Apple TV. That is no bigger than an Apple TV. Has a little contour and it's little. The pictures showed this lit up, so I wonder if this actually lights up when it's plugged in. Anyway, your 6 volt, standby power, USB, the AV for the adapter here, push button, HDMI in, HDMI out, and my cat's about to say hello to the world. Sticker. It doesn't want to come off. Here we go. It almost looks like metal. I apologize for the camera quality. Hopefully it will get better as I gain subscribers and get a little more. There's a power off and on button right there. The TV in the background is going to be what this is going to be hooked up to, and my cat's going to say hello again. Say hi, SEO. Meow. Hi. Anyway, that is an unboxing of the Hauppauge. I am sure that is Japanese. Oh no, Indonesia. Product of Indonesia. And I know people are going to make comments on the way I pronounce that. But hey, whatever. Anyway, look for some more videos on my channel in the future of in-game play and whatnot. That's all for now.